Introducing the newly redesigned MOD-4100 Crude Analyzer, the breakthrough in crude oil online analysis. Our single analyzer performs a variety of different critical crude oil measurements to provide real-time analytical data. This data is highly important for optimizing the processing of crude oils, ultimately leading to better quality products. The MOD-4100 analyzer system is based on a modular package concept, which allows for easy installation on site. It is thoroughly inspected and tested by our factory to ensure the highest level of quality. With the MOD-4100 analyzer, you can measure a range of critical parameters, including distillation, RVP, salt, H2S, water, sulfur content and other parameters. Online and rapid analysis allows for the real-time detection of unacceptable levels of quality parameters, allowing you to take immediate corrective actions. With our breakthrough technology, you can optimize your crude oil processing for better quality products and increased profitability.